In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the basic function of vlookup. So vlookup stands for vertical lookup. It is a function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. So in our illustration here, we have, let's say, this is the final grade of each student, and we'll see here the subjects, so English, physics, history, and math. So let's say we're looking for grade of Mike or final grade of Mike in history. So the formula is gonna be equal sign vlookup. So I'll just click that here, and then as you can see, it's asking for a lookup value. So what I'm looking for is the final grade of Mike in history, so I'm going to click this. Alright, and then if I put comma, it's asking now for table array. So this is my table array, so I'm just going to highlight it, so drag it all the way down to here, and then comma. Now it's asking for a column index number. So going back here in a table array, so this is the columns that I have. So it's asking for column index number. So this is the column 1, column 2, column 3, 4, and 5. So I'm looking for history, so this is gonna be the column number 4. So I'm just going to put 4 and then comma, and now it's asking for whether it's true or false. So in most cases, we will going to put false or exact match, because we're looking for the exact value of Mike in history, so that's gonna be false, and then I hit enter. So there you have it. If you want to check it, Mike history, it's 83. Of course, if you will looking at this illustration, it will be easier, or it's easy for us to identify the value. But of course, vlookup function is a very powerful function in Excel, especially if we are looking for, or if we are working on multiple entries in Excel. So as you can see here as well, even if I'm going to change the name, so let's say Bruce, so the value here in history will change. So if I want to copy the formula, so let's say I'm looking also for Katie, Maria, Mike. Okay, so going back here, so I will just copy the formula. So I'm going to just double click the small dot here. So if I'm going to hover my mouse, it will just the mouse point will change to a thin cross. So I will just double click it, and then I was able to copy the formula. So what if we are working on a different sheet, and we will use the same data. Okay, so here is our other sheet. Okay, and we will put the formula here. So let's say we're looking for Maria's final grade in history, so it's gonna be equal sign vlookup. Okay, so I can just select it here, and then lookup value is Maria, comma, table array. So I will just go here, and then I'm going to highlight the table, and then comma. Now it's asking for column index number, so it's going to be the same. Index number 4, so sorry, column number 4, so 1 2 3 4. So I'll put 4 here, and then false, exact match, and then enter. So the same. All right. So what if we're looking in a different worksheet? So let's say looking for Rachel. So equal sign, vlookup, lookup value, ratio. Okay, table array. So here is my other worksheet. So I'll just highlight it, and then comma, and then column index number. So the same, it's number 4, and then it's asking for if it's false or true. So it's going to be false for exact match, and then enter. So same thing. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it, and the basic function of vlookup. So thanks for watching.